Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something super exciting. I've been wanting to do this for a while. I've been debating. I wasn't entirely sure. But then my boo decided that they were going to go ahead and get this for me for our anniversary gift. And I am so excited. So excited. We're going to be opening... Yes. Look at this. Look at this. Can you see it? Is it in frame? Look at big. Look. It's Fabfitfun. Never heard of it? I saw it and I wanted it. I got it. Oh my gosh. So we're going to go through the process of opening this. From what I understand, this is the editor's box because I'm in between. I think they just did summer and they're going to do fall. I believe the fall picks start, I want to say August 2nd. Because I have the year one, so I guess I get to pick on the 2nd. I don't know. We're going to find out. But more importantly, we're going to find out what's in this box. Yeah. Thank you, Night. Let's open this. Oh! Plenty of bubble wrap to go around. This time I opened the box from the top, so see? Not much. So I guess this is like the stuff I had picked to go in the box. I'm not sure. Looks like it. More importantly, the box. This is really heavy. Can you see it? It's heavy. Can you see? It's heavy. First thing outside the box is the caravan designed well traveled something. Havana homemade decor. Okay, I don't know what this is just yet, but like I said, this is a process. We're opening things together. We're gonna find out together. I'm gonna set you down here. Oh. I'm just gonna grab this real quick. Oh my god, there's still stuff in the box. Can you see it? Can you see it? Because I can't see. Oh. Okay. I want to open this because it's sealed like a box in a box. I love that. I do that to people for like their birthdays and holidays and they get so mad. Like a box and a box and a box and a box. It makes me so happy though. Let me just grab these things real quick. So, the first thing is the Advanced Skincare. Oh my god, I love this brand. Elemis. It's a peptide for night recovery cream oil. Neato. I already use this stuff in the shower to take off my makeup, so putting it on afterwards is pretty cool. Next, we have the AG Hair Care Fast Food Leave-On Conditioner for moisture. Because we all know that's what I need with my naturally blonde hair. So I know what those are. I don't know what this is. Oh my gosh, it's a rug! That's cute! Oh my gosh! It says, because it says rug right here. It's a rug. Okay. Calm down. Nice. That's pretty. And now, this is empty. Let's get on to the actual box. Look at this. Look at this. I'm excited. We just cut the seal. So let's dive in together. Oh, that's cute. Oh, look. Of course, it says Fabfitfun on the inside. That's adorable. And we have a magazine. From what I understand, oh my god, the box smells so good. Sorry. From what I understand, this kind of gives you a rundown of what's in the box. And at the top here, it says editor's box as well. So you can see we should be getting a little information on what's in it. And then of course their social media, follow them if you haven't already. Then, oh, let me put this down here. On top, we have, what is this? 20% off the best-selling kitchen essentials from our place. Never heard of them, so I'm gonna have to go and check it out. That's cute. That looks good too, but I'm hungry, so. Next, pass this on to a friend who would love Fabfitfun. I'm gifting you $15 off your first Fabfitfun box. Oh, look at that. That's cute. I might have to. I know the bestie likes when I get stuff like this, so I may have to hook it up for her one time. Then HelloFresh, 10 meals free with what? Claim within 30 days. Look how cool this is. I kind of always wanted to try these things. Now I might have to. We'll see. And then last, the editor's box. Okay. So does this tell me? Huh. I don't know. Does this tell me like the things I could get in the box? We're learning here, okay? Look at all the cool little things. Like everything that you can get is right here. Okay. Then we have the box. Ooh, look how cute. Share to win. Hashtag Fabfitfun. You can't tell me this doesn't look adorable. I won't wait because you can't. I tried to be gentle. I really did. Oh, look how cute. Oh, look at all the stuff inside. Let's start from one side or we'll work our way over. Ugh. This is the makeup eraser, but this is the original pink one. I have two already and I absolutely adore them. They take off makeup without any product, which is really cool, and it keeps me from staining all the towels in the house, so yay. Ew. And I don't have the pink one yet. What is this? Color Switch Instant Brush Cleaner. Oh my god, I have one of these right here. I love these. As you can tell, because I don't like to switch between my brushes. Look how cute. This is nice. Oh my god, and it's in purple. Perfect. Just saying. I really like this. That is neat. The next item is a Spongily Black Orchid Body Wash Infused Buffer Beyond Cleansing. And I believe I had gotten one of these in my BoxyCharm once upon a time before, and I liked it because it's like soap already infused with a little scrubby. So yes, thank you very much. Yes, that is neat. I wonder if I can smell it. I wonder if this is what it smells. Oh my god, that smells so good. This is what it smells. It smells so good. Oh. I'm gonna fall in love with myself in the shower and then not get out. I don't know if that's a good thing. The next thing, oh cute. This is from Too Faced Hydrating Lightweight Skin Protecting SPF 25 Moisturizer. It's the Hangover Good to Go. See? I love this. I love the Too Faced products, especially stuff for your skin that goes like directly on it. I don't know what they do or how they figure it out, but whatever they do, it makes it, I don't know, so wonderful for my skin. So, yay, thank you, thank you. Next we have this SKINVOLVE Body Boost Gel, Menthol and Green Tea, Tone Firm Smooth Pre-Workout Activator. Oh my god, what? Take a look. So it says, before any workout, apply to trouble areas like the abs, glutes, thighs, and arms in a small circular motion and let the tingling begin. Okay. We'll try it. I like this. I'm gonna try it. Just because the whole yoga thing has been happening again, and I've been really loving it. So I figure I can throw that in too. It's not that hard. Right? Next, I have the AMIKE Perk Up Dry Shampoo shampooing sack. This is the cutest bottle. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is so nice. And I mean, I could probably use it today on account of my hair is just kind of doing its thing. But I'd rather it do a thing that I want. So I might have to use this. Thank you, Fabfitfun. I've about filled up my desk space here. This is bad. I mean, this is good because there's still more in that box. Let's go. Next, what is this? It is a DONNI. Oh, I think this is like the cardigan I picked. Look how cute. Oh, that's bad. So this is the cardigan. I am pretty sure this is the cardigan I picked. I'm gonna actually have to open up some of these and see what's up because I'm gonna open this right now and just see. I just want to see. It's kind of hard. Oh my. Oh my. Oh, shut the front door. This looks adorable. Like, you probably can't see it too well, but this looks so nice. You have the like 3/4 sleeves, you got the pockets, and it's a pretty thin but long cardigan. Yeah, I'm gonna have to, if I can't make it work with my outfit today, I might have to go change because I want to wear this like right now. This is adorable. We're just gonna put it on top of everything because I ran out of room. There's this giant. Oh, I remember. Oh, I remember. These are packing cubes. I know, that's so adult of me, and I'm so lame, but these look so cute, and I've been trying to organize stuff, especially in here, and as you can tell by me saying my desk is really full of stuff, these might actually come in handy. Look how cute. It comes with small, medium, large, 3 pieces. Thank you, Fabfitfun. Yes, yes. And these colors are adorable too. They're totally gonna stand out. I like it. And oh, packing. That is it. Whole bunch of cute little paper packings. So that is it. That's it from my Fabfitfun box. Oh, I made a mess on the floor, like everywhere. It's fine. Let me take a look at the editor's pick. Editor's note. It's time to go through the rest of the perks, customization, discounts, community, membership, add-ons, edit sale. How the box is curated. Okay, this is cool. So they do all this checking and testing and oh, that's cute. Past faves. This is adorable. Words of wisdom. A balloon. Yeah, I went a little plant crazy during this quarantine. It's a quarantine thing. And that's it. Quick rundown. That was my Fabfitfun editor's box. And I loved it. This is so great. I already saw on Instagram this morning there were like a few posts about what is going to be coming available for you to choose. And I think this is going to be a good subscription box. Let me know if you have Fabfitfun and how you like it, if you don't like it, pros and cons. I kind of want to get to know a little bit more about, because there's only so much I can read about when I search online. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to find places to put all this stuff and change my outfit so I can wear that cardigan today. But don't forget to like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I will catch you back here Thursday, Sunday. This is when we hang out. And yeah. Okay, bye.